Hello and welcome back to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of two Boston Bruins vehicles. We have here today, what is that, Samson? I'm here with my son Sam. I know the car is a Mustang. And it's a Ford truck. Oh, it's got to say it on the back, does it? Oh, I should have researched this a little bit better so we know exactly what car it is. Maybe it'll say it on the bottom. Let's get it open. We have a cool card here. Boston Bruins Home and Road. This is by Upperdeck, by the way. Where does it say it? There's the card right there. And upperdeck.com. And this is from, I'm not sure the year it's from, but it's 2007. There we go. All right, let's open this up now. From the top, we'll get the card first. Try not to damage that card too much.
Yeah. Excuse me. Very nice.
Cool, cool. Could pause and read that if you'd like. Now the vehicles. Match my sweatshirt right now. And those are rubber tires. Does say Ford Mustang on the bottom here. All four wheels roll well. Oh, that's really nice.
It is really nice.
All right, so that is a Ford Mustang, right? GT. We'll try that one first. And then this one, let me see if I can get it closer to my eyes for a minute. Well, let's just check the wheels up first. I'll have Sam try to read it for me. Oops. Those work great. Oh, they do work really well. Ford. Is that an Excursion? That'll be my guess. Sam, see if you can read that.
All right.
And then I'll show the fans. The Boston Bruins fans, that is.
All right.
Our viewers.
So it says, excuse me, it says here, Ford SVT Adrenaline Concept.
Well, there you go. It's an adrenaline concept. I've never even heard of that, actually.
Me either.
There's the Focus. Oh, that is one bad ride. All right, we're going to try that Mustang first. Sam, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh.
Beautiful. Oh, it's a smash! All right, let's try the truck now. Oh,
There you go.
Oh, that's smooth.
That is smooth.
Really smooth. Yeah. Oh, I wish I could race them right now. We should race these two against each other when we set up our track.
I wish.
There we go, Boston Bruins. Hold the card behind them, Sam. See if we can make a good picture here. That would be cool if it came out with a thumbnail. 7 hands in there.
You see that? Yeah.
That's awesome, though. All right, thanks everybody that tuned in to watch. Samson, thanks for helping.
No problem.
And please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.